Alright everybody, welcome to, I guess, my first moto vlog. It's more of a test, honestly. I'm recording with my Cardo through my phone's Bluetooth thing. Take a left here. Yeah, I'm recording with the GoPro. I'm just gonna basically edit the audio and then the video all together later on. Yeah, so right now it's fucking cold. It's like 31 degrees, freezing. I'm trying to avoid all the wet shit on the road. Of course, I'm on my trusty Honda CBR $500, baby. It's nice. I'm currently on my lunch break. Yeah, just, you know, decided to go out for a ride. Yeah, right now I'm 30 miles an hour. It's not too bad. I'm currently wearing like fleece ski pants. It's working pretty good actually in the winter. And my jacket is like a cheap, well, it's like $80 Amazon jacket with like an inline thing. I'm also layering it up with a bomber jacket, and it works pretty well, surprisingly, even at 31 degree weather. And I'm also wearing some sort of a, what is it called, a baklava or some shit, like a ski mask under the helmet, keep me warm. Also, of course, the boots, motorcycle boots, waterproof, helps with the cold. The gloves are some, I don't know what these are. My brother, I bought them from my brother because he didn't like them, but they're really good. They work really well in the cold. It gives me about an hour worth of riding before I start to get uncomfortable. Oh shit. Nice. My helmet is undone. I probably forgot to put the helmet lock on. I'm gonna stop and fix it around here. I'll pull over. I can't believe I forgot to put my helmet on. What the fuck? Well, I mean, to lock my helmet. Of course I put on my fucking helmet. Alright, pull over here. Just cause, put neutral. There we go. Take this motherfucking things off. Fuck. I keep forgetting to lock it recently. I don't know. Maybe I'm subconsciously trying to kill myself. It's like my mind's like, alright, let's send him signals to forget to put or to lock his helmet. I used to hate these gloves, but now I've grown to like them. They're like cool as fuck, that's why. And of course they keep my hands cool. I mean, not cool, warm. So that's the biggest reason, I guess. But mainly because they look cool. Fuck. I'm gonna edit this part out where I'm struggling to put the left one on. Not too bad. Getting better at putting it on. Maybe I'll leave it. Okay. Let's do some highway stuff. Watch me do that weird U-ey. Okay. Clear. I currently have a Leo Vince exhaust on my bike. You know, you could, it's a GP Corsa one. You have the option to install a baffle that comes with it, or leave it out. I choose to leave it in, just because I don't really like if a bike's too loud. I don't know, it draws too much attention. Now I say that, and I have a fucking red bike, so I don't know. I don't like, it's like, I don't like drawing attention, but I have a red bike. Alright, here we go. Highway time. Okay. Now the reason why I want to go on the highway, even even though it's cold as fuck, is I want to test out the wind noise with the Cardo. Oh yeah, I fucking love maxing this bike out. You know, CBR 500 is not really the fastest, but it's still hella fun to ride. It's so damn easy to ride, you know? I had the option to get the Ninja 400, which is definitely faster than this, but I just couldn't. I just love the way this bike looks over the 400. This bike's a real looker. Honda has always been, I mean, this is my opinion, a lot better with the designs in terms of bikes. Now, there's probably a few Kawasaki guys like saying, you don't know shit, buddy. And maybe I don't, because I just literally picked up this bike 5 months ago. You know what's crazy? I picked up this bike 5 months ago, and I fucking dropped close to 5,000 miles on this bitch. Like every weekend I would go on long rides. Like I would go north, upstate New York. Ah, shit. Ah, why the fuck is it traffic, man? I kind of don't want to lane split this because there's so many fucking trucks, and I'm still apprehensive with lane splitting. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. I mean, I would do it, but the amount of trucks on the road is kind of bruh. What the fuck? I should have checked traffic before I left. But then again, I did. Yeah, but you know, traffic can change on the dime. You know what? I'm getting off this. I'm gonna circle back. Overall, I love this bike. It's like, it's so fucking good. I thoroughly enjoy this thing. And I look super fucking cool on it. But then again, I don't know if looking like a giant on this bike looks cool. My glasses are fogging up. Fuck. I have to lift my visor. Let it defog, baby. Why is this Tesla fucking turning so damn slow? Okay, now I gotta follow this Tesla. Watch this. Oh my god. Creep further, man. Bruh. Oh Jesus Christ, turning mad slow. She thinks I'm honking at her. It's not me, lady. Come on, you have a Plaid. Is that a Plaid? Huh. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know my Teslas. I believe electric cars are for disgusting hippies. Holy shit, lady. You have a fucking beast of a car. Why the fuck are you driving so damn slow? There we go. That's more like it. And then we have to slow down. But yeah, this bike is honestly good enough for you know, for commuting and shit. Most people have said the same thing in countless other videos. Yeah. I have to check the time because my lunch break ends at 1:30 and I gotta be at home clocked in at 1:30. I wish there was less people on the road so I could floor it. Except I'm cruising on 6th gear. Kinda anticlimactic. Alright, let's see what I got here. gear pull. Not too shabby. Not the fastest for sure. I mean, within 5 months, I've definitely gotten kind of tired, bored of the engine, but not entirely, I guess. Just a little bit. It's starting to seep in where I'm like, damn, maybe I do need a faster bike. But I know for a fact I'm not ready for a faster bike because it's only been 5 months. I feel like I have plenty left to learn. And also I feel like if I get like right now, like I'm thinking if I were to upgrade right now, like, you know, I would probably get a Zixer Ninja. But I know for a fact that if I get that bike, I'm probably gonna die within a week, because I'll try to do my best to max it out. Where am I trying to go? Fuck it, I'll go this way. I know where to go. I know exactly where to go. I like to go to a particular gas station near my area because it has tapless. I can just remove my phone, unlock it, and just tap it on the gas thing, and then I'm ready to fill up. It's probably like the only gas station in my area that has pay to tap feature. The other ones, I gotta remove my fucking wallet from my chest. It's such a bitch to fucking do. It's like, bro, get with the program, get with the future, man. She could have went. Definitely have went. Instead I have to wait here. I'm gonna go to the gas station, fill up. Holy shit, come on lady, come on, go. I fucking hate traffic. There seems to be more people, more vehicles on the road now. I'm not sure if it's if there's more people with cars on the road after COVID, or if it was just like this before COVID. I can't remember. God damn it, why so slow? I don't understand. Why are we going 40-ish miles? There's a cop there, that's why. Oh my god. The cop's there. We have to slow down. Alright. I'm gonna go to fill up gas and probably head home. Also, one reason why I wanted to fucking get out and ride even in this cold weather for lunch is because it was so fucking cold this morning. Like, I was leaving the gym, taking my car out, and then there was like frost covering my fucking bike cover. So I was like, maybe it's time to alright, let's see if I can floor this. Woo, baby. Maybe I didn't need I think I dropped too low of a gear there. When you drop a gear but you need that gear back immediately, you know, it's one of those cases. Let's fill this bad boy up, ride around a little bit longer, and go home, and then get back to the corporate life. Oh. Oh, what the fuck? Oh wow, just my luck. Looks like the gas station is filling up. Wow. I guess I'll fill up next time I ride. One thing I forgot to do before I left for a ride is pump air in my tires. Hopefully this this bike has enough air pressure. Traffic. I can't rev out my bike. Oh well. At least I got to ride today. As long as you get to ride, it's a good day. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Not me, but it hurt my bike. Well, it did hurt me emotionally. Fucking potholes. Oh, slow down here. Just in case there's a guy. Alright. Woo! God damn. Fucking hit the rev limiter there. Woo! Nothing like bouncing the rev limiter. Woo! Smell gas. Yeah, I bought this bike used. Bought this bike used with 7,500 miles on it, and I clocked about 12,000. Well, it's nearing 12,000. So right now it's 11,800.